This Century 21 United property video is presented by Marty Reed. A beautiful home in pristine condition. Many wonderful features await. Kitchen has stainless appliances, granite countertops, work island and pantry. Spacious laundry room with adjacent closet/storage area. Ceilings are 9 feet throughout the home with crown molding, large windows and storage in abundance. The closets are very spacious with solid wood shelves and multi-level rods. Custom fireplace, covered patio with hookups for television, large double-car garage. For more information, review the details below.